This cake is a dream. Lighter, creamier, less sweet than a regular chocolate cake and so easy to make. Hey guys, I'm Landon. Let's bake easier. The downloadable recipe is in the description, so make sure you know. Start with 340 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna use 2 round pans, simply grease, lye, and flour. No round paper needed. We heat up a cup of coffee. I'm using espresso powder, but feel free to use the regular hot strong coffee. As usual, we implement one bowl mixing for less work, less cleaning. Just add these ingredients in, beat for about 20 seconds, add flour, few seconds of beating, scraping, and finally steadily pour the hot coffee in. While running the machine on low, beat for just 30 seconds. A final scraping and stirring for a well-blended batter. Scale for evenness, tap to pop large bubbles, and they are ready for a quick bake until toothpick test comes out clean. Like this. A few minutes of resting, then we can trim off the domes and let them cool down on wire rack. Oh yeah, the crumbs are perfect! Now our chocolate ganache needs to only 2 simple ingredients. So what we do is heating up heavy cream until it starts to simmer. Let it go for about 5 to 10 seconds, then pour it over the chocolate. Keep it covered for about 3 to 5 minutes, then whisk until smooth. It's that easy. To make a Chantilly frosting, we simply beat the ingredients together until stiff thick, then add softened cream cheese, and very important, don't overmix. Beat it on low until the mixture is just smooth enough, which takes just about 10 to 15 seconds. Leave it in the fridge to set for about 10 minutes while we're cleaning and getting everything else ready. For dripping, squeeze bottle is the easiest to get the job done. We want thick layers of Chantilly frosting, and I intended to just crumb coat the side, but if you want thicker outer layer, just double the Chantilly frosting, alright? Now we just spin and drip, spin and drip. Spread it out on top and voila! Perfecto! Now this easy, beautiful cake is best with some more ganache and some fresh acidic fruits when serving. Or just enjoy it by itself. OMG, I'm in heaven! If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you so much and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.